Follow these instructions to package and return a defective monitor at no cost to you. These instructions only apply to Lenovo customers in the US and Canada. To ensure warranty coverage on your replacement monitor, return the defective monitor within 10 business days. If we do not receive the defective monitor within this time frame, the warranty coverage for your replacement monitor may become invalid. Place the defective monitor inside the cardboard box you received your replacement in. Reuse the packing materials to make sure your defective monitor is safely secured in the packaging. Make sure to include any accessories that might have come with your defective monitor. Remove the return label and packing tape from the slip on the front of the box. Seal the box with packing tape. Secure the prepaid shipping label to the top of the package, making sure to cover any existing shipping label. Make a note of the shipping tracking number and RMA number, which is your service order work number for tracking and personal records. If you received a FedEx shipping label, drop off the monitor at any FedEx shipping location or click the FedEx link in the description to schedule a pickup. If you received a UPS shipping label, drop off the monitor at any UPS shipping location or click the UPS link in the description to schedule a pickup. If you have any questions, you can contact Lenovo support at 877-453-6686. Please be sure to have your work order number available. Lenovo authorized warranty service partners can contact the Service Management Support Center at 1-800-426-3391 or smsc@lenovo.com. To learn more about your Lenovo devices, subscribe to the Lenovo Support YouTube channel or visit support.lenovo.com.